Number 3 is taken from the Edexcel International A-Level Maths Pure 2 Sample Assessment Material 2018, and we have a function y equals square root 3 to the x plus x, and we need to complete the table. The values should be in 3 decimal places. So we take the value of x, which they gave us 0.5, and we replace it instead of x in the function. And since we can use the calculator, it's very easy that you plug in the values and you find that y is equal to 1.494. We need to have 3 decimal places, and when x is 0.75, the y is equal to 1.741. In part B, use the trapezium rule with all the values of y from your table to find an approximation for the value of the integration bounded by 0, 1 of this function. Now, trapezium rule is given, the formula is given in the formula booklet, and this is the formula where h is equal to b minus a over n, where n is equal to the number of strips in the table, so strips in the table minus 1, and let us replace, or let us pinpoint the variables that are in the table. So you have here a for the value of x, first value of x, b for the last value of x, and you have y0 for the first value of y, and then y1, y2, y3, and y4. So we have 5 strips. In order to find h, it's equal to 1 minus 0 over 5 minus 1, which is equal to 1 over 4, 0.25. So the first part of the formula, half, is found there, and h is 0.25. Then you have y0 plus yn, which is 4, plus 2 times y1, y2, and y3. Calculating all that, plugging it into your calculator, you're going to get 1.4965. Since they didn't say in what form they want the decimal places, you can keep it as it is. Part C, explain how the trapezium rule could be used to obtain a more accurate estimate for the value of the integration. Now, the choices, or the points that you can use: we can decrease the width of the strips. We can also use more trapezia. We can use more strips, and increase the number of strips. So if we increase the number of strips, or you decrease the width of the strips, or use more trapezia, it will give you a more accurate estimate. And the answer which says use more decimal places is not a very accurate, it's not an accurate answer.